Hello everyone, take a section of the top of the hair, tie a rubber band to it. Take two more sections and then tie a rubber band underneath it. Lift the initial two sections a little bit and then begin to braid the hair using the sections you've created. Join them together as such. Add multiple sections together. Do this until you reach the bottom. Tie a ponytail, take a section of this ponytail, add a rubber band in the middle. Do this for about 3 of them. Roll each of these in on themselves. Braid the bottom. Start off by sectioning off the top of the hair, add a rubber band to the middle. Roll the hair in on itself, then lift it up. Taking the section that is left out at the bottom, begin to braid the hair and include more and more sections into it. Take two sections of the hair, join it to the back as such. Next, start off by taking two sections of the hair, tie it up at the back as such. Do this for about 3 or 4 layers or constantly do this until you reach the base. As for the rest of the hair, begin to fishtail braid the hair. Start off by tying a ponytail, add a rubber band in the middle, roll the hair in on itself. Lift it up, pull it through the bottom and once more add another rubber band and fasten it. Start off by tying a ponytail, take a section of this ponytail, roll the hair in on itself. Through the hole that you have created, put the other sections through. Tie a rubber band at the base and roll it up. Start off by sectioning off the top of the hair and then tie a rubber band at the back to it. Divide the hair into 3 portions and then begin to braid one of them. Add a rubber band in the middle for the other portion and once more roll the hair in on itself. Pull the braid through the hole that is present. Next, start off by tying a ponytail, add a rubber band to the base. Roll the hair in on itself as such and then lift it up and make it bow shaped. Add a hair stick to fasten it in place. Roll the bun up once you're done. Take a section off the top of the scalp, make a hole in the side and then put the hair through. Take 2 sections from either side, wrap it around the base that is present. Do this until you reach the base. Tie a rubber band to the middle and roll this bun upside. Next, start off by tying a ponytail. Add a thick rubber band to it as such. Divide the hair into 2 sections out of the main part and then begin twisting them one on top of the other. Pull it through as such. Once you are done braiding all of the hair, then you can arrange them as such. Start off by tying a ponytail and then twist the hair. Twist it into a bun. Take 2 sections from either side and then make it meet at the back. Tie it up, roll the hair in on itself and pull it through the main sectioning. Divide the hair into 2 portions and then begin to braid the hair. Do this for the other side as well. Start off by sectioning the top of the hair and make a braid out of it. Tie a ponytail at the bottom and then roll the hair upwards. As for the braid, roll it into a rose shape. Start off by tying a ponytail and then take small sections from the hair. Twist them around your finger and then make them interchange in the middle. This is a different kind of braid. Start off by tying a ponytail and then leave a section of it aside. Roll the hair in on itself. Braid and roll it up. Thank you for watching.